There is no shortage of tech training programs online, but this one is designed to launch your career. Welcome to WYNXIO IT Training, a specialized mentoring program fueled by real tech expertise from WYNXIO Technology USA, a global IT powerhouse. We don't stop at theory here at WYNXIO. We are with you all the way until you actually master your skills. Our training mixes the exact skill with real hands-on experience, so you're ready to step up into the real world from day one. We offer training in areas like full stack development, cloud and DevOps, data science and AI, cybersecurity, UI UX design, and plenty more. Whether you're a beginner, an experienced professional, or considering a career change, WYNXIO offers you a structured pathway designed to fuel your career. And that way, you can excel in the rapidly evolving tech industry. Through expert-led live sessions, personalized mentorship, career support, and practical projects, we don't just build your skills, we build your confidence. Supported by WYNXIO Technology USA, our mission is to cultivate global tech talents through accessible, affordable, and impactful trainings. So ladies and gentlemen, your IT career starts here. Enroll with WYNXIO Training today.